For over 100 years, Walt Disney Animation Studios has invited audiences to believe in things never thought possible. And so tonight, we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Hard to know just where it starts, how it grows, from just a spark. It's wondrous. I feel it now, it's you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. From dream to wish to very first shot, from jumping to falling to learning to fly. We go good and pray to explosion and beats it high. It's the magic that we call out. It's the stars that we surprise. It's the fire of the butterfly.
though it's dark and only takes you part of the way, you gotta help along with some hard work of your own.
There's been trials and tribulations. You know I've had my share, but I come out. And I'm almost there. I remember Daddy told me fairy tales do come, but you gotta wake up and know they're almost there. Never gonna come in back.
Will today be the day to be ready to fly? Could take time. You got the makings of greatness in you, but you gotta chart your own course. Stick to it, no matter the squalls.
We could be immortals, but not for long, for long. Okay, here's the plan. We're doing a long band, taken by surprise. It's built like a house pile down. Sometimes the only payoff for having any faith is when it's tested again every day.
I came here to make the world a better place, but I think I broke it. I'm not the right person. You have to choose someone else. Choose someone else.
Sometimes the world seems against you. The dirt may leave a scar. Scars could heal and reveal just where you are.
We started this thing together, and that's how we finish it.
I believe in you more than anyone or anything. Nothing could ever be broken that we can't fix together.
I'm running for size. Let's see if I can fade once. I can't stand one day will turn. It's not the love they say it is. That's all I know. You're the reason I really lost. I get the breath. I get the buzz. I'm running for size. Let's see if I can fade once. I can't stand one day will turn. To play back to the night. Don't surround you. Just like the walls down there. Don't look behind you. Why do you fall? Wait till tomorrow.
Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
It's so magic that we come alive. It's the stars, the lights, the lights. It's the flight of the butterflies. But the sea, I can't believe. It's the magic that we come alive. It's the stars, the lights, the lights. It's the flight of the butterflies. But the sea, I can't believe. It's not the race.
So, we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But Pooh, it's just another turn of the page.